DD News team has reached Bhadori village, which is 20 kilometers away from Jammu city, to capture political activity here as far as campaigning is concerned. But what we saw here is pretty different. Jammu Kashmir National Panthers Party has adopted a very unique style of campaigning, which is devoid of pomp and show, the aggressive road shows and rallies. What they have started doing is organizing poll panchayats. HC Galmeria is the national Jammu Kashmir National Panthers Party's candidate, who is of course fighting from the Poonch Jammu parliamentary constituency, and he's addressing a public meeting here. Let's just get talking to him and find out the issues that they are going to contest in these Lok Sabha polls. Sir, if you could quickly tell us, National Panthers Party, the way you're contesting this time around, you've got a huge competition coming from Congress and the BJP, but your style of campaigning is pretty different. Do you think this is how you're going to counter the challenge of BJP, Congress and the PDP in Jammu?
Certainly, I believe, and Panthers Party also believes, that this huge expenditure on elections would fail the democracy in this country. It cannot continue. We are proposing another thing, that election commission should bear all the expenses. Election commission should hold the meetings and ask the candidates to address those joint meetings. We have certain specific ideas upon which we are carrying the campaign. If that idea would click the minds of the people, they will come with the Panthers Party.
So statehood for Jammu, is that your agenda?
Not exactly statehood. Our agenda is that since the delimitation is not being held in this state for the last over 20 years, and Jammu is having a representation of only 37 members in the assembly, whereas Kashmir is having 46. We are 9 less, whereas according to 2002 votes, Jammu had 31 lakh votes. Kashmir had only 28 lakh and 50,000 votes. So 9 seats are short. We presented a bill in the assembly that the seats should be balanced and there should be delimitation. The Congress, National Conference and PDP, all the three opposed that bill. So we are now saying that let us have a separate assembly for Jammu, separate assembly for Kashmir.
What are your thoughts on the so-called Modi wave in Jammu?
We are unconcerned about Modi because BJP, when came to power, when Vajpayee was the Prime Minister, he went in alliance with Farooq Abdullah. So nothing was done for Jammu by the BJP. So we have no hopes from BJP, and people do not have any hope from BJP also. Congress is dying its own death in the entire country because they have committed blunders.
Out of the three, Congress, BJP and PDP, what do you think is the big challenge for your party, National Panthers Party?
None of them is any comparison to Panthers Party because
numbers nahi hai.
Panthers Party has an agenda which no other party has. So Panthers Party carries the agenda of justice for the entire state, which other parties are not. They are carrying the policy of discrimination, which Panthers Party is going to fight out. We will carry the people with us.
Okay. So they are saying, the National Panthers Party are saying that they will carry the people with them, although the confidence comes from the agenda, the people's agenda. That's what they call. As far as the Congress, BJP and PDP is concerned, the National Panthers Party says that is no challenge to them. Remember, they have 3 members in the State Assembly out of 87. With camera person Rajesh Riki, this is Sakal Bhatt from Bhadori village in Jammu Poonch Parliamentary Constituency for DD News.